Alright, so good afternoon, good morning, welcome back everybody. This is my second foundation video or video that is aiming to set a solid foundation for the students who are not even students, anybody who is about to sit the CSEC examination, whether it be this year, next year, whenever year. This video is trying to set the foundation, or if you already have that foundation, this video will reinforce that foundation. Now I will begin today's video or today's topic with a story. Now this story begins one Saturday morning, a 10-year-old boy, which is me. So it was a very early on a Saturday morning, 6 o'clock. Guy in his parents, I was gonna wake up before the sun rises. So my mother woke me up. She said, "Leanne, wake up, the sun is about to rise. Go in the kitchen and check and see how much fruits we got. Go into the market and I wanna know what we gotta get." So little Leanne got up, eyes barely open, rubbing, yarning, still gone in the kitchen. Then I buzzed the fridge to see the amount of fruits that we got so I could tell this lady so she will know what to buy in the market. So I opened the fridge and I saw 3 mangoes, 6 bananas, 4 oranges. So I added up each and every single one of those fruits and I got 13 in all. So I went to my mother and said, "Mommy, we got 13 fruits in all." So my mother looked at me, she gave me a serious stare. One of those serious stares that your mother would normally give me talking nonsense. And she said, "Dorothy, what kind of fruits, but they got countless fruits in the world." So I was like, "Oh, for real." I got back and I see that we got 3 mangoes, 6 bananas, and 4 oranges. So I went to her and I said, "Mommy, we got 3 mangoes, 6 bananas, and 4 oranges. Is that better?" She said, "Yeah, now you're talking something with sense. Now I could know what I could buy at the market. I know I gotta buy some mangoes because we only got 3, and I gotta buy some oranges because we only got 4. So with that concept, it brings us to today's lesson or today's topic, which is like terms, grouping of like terms, adding and subtraction of like terms. Anyways, let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so when we are talking about like terms, we are basically talking about terms that have the same variable. And we all know by variable we mean the letter. And terms that are raised to the same power. Alright? The coefficient, which is the number in front of the letter, that doesn't have to be same. That can be different. But as long as they have the same letter and the same power. Let me give you some examples. We have the first set of like terms. 10x, we have 10x, 6x, 2x, and x. If you look at all 4 terms, they all have the same letter and they are all raised to the first power. So that means all of these terms here at the top are like terms. Second example, we have 5y, negative 2y, 20y, and y. Once again, they all have the same letter and they are all raised to the first power. That means they are like. We have the third example, 6x squared, 20x squared, 2x squared, and x squared. Once again, they are all raised to the second power and they all have the same letter. So that bottom set, they are all like terms. Alright, so let's look at this first example of adding like terms. Alright, so we have, let's say we have 5a plus 2a is equal to. Now if you look at these two terms, they both have the same letter and they are both raised to the same power. So they are like terms. So if you want to add these two, you just add 5 plus 2, which is 7, and you put back the letter, which is a. In other words, it's like if you have 5 apples plus 2 apples, you will get 7 apples. These letters here are just used in place of something that we don't know. So you just put a letter. So it's 5a plus 2a will give you 7a. As simple as that. Alright, so we have here a third example. 10x squared minus 12x minus 2x squared. Now if you look at these 3 terms, they are all in different color. The reason why I did this here is I put all of the terms which I like, I put them in one color. So as long as they got the 2 same color, that means they are like. So in a question like this, we will have to group the like terms. Now the most important thing when grouping like terms is to move the term that you want to move, and in this case we would want to move this here and put it with this term. You want to move the terms together and put them together. Now if you want to move them and put them together, you got to move the term with the sign that is in front. That is the reason for putting everything in black, because we're moving it with the sign in front. And also when you're moving this 12x, you're moving it with the sign in front. So this is what we do. 10x squared minus 2x squared minus 12x. Right? And that is equal to, we got to work that out. Good, so we finished grouping them. Now we can work. We have 10x squared minus 2x. That is like if we got 10 apples minus 2 apples, that will give you what? 8 apples. But in this case, we will get 8x squared minus 12x. That's the answer, right? Now, you may be tempted to subtract these two, because you might say, oh, they got the same letter, man, they must be like terms. But if you look at the power, there are two different power. This one is raised to the second power, and this one is raised to the fourth power. So they are not like terms. This is like if you got 8 apples and we got 12 bananas. We can't subtract them, or we cannot add them. Alright, so here's the last one that you can try on your own. Pause the video, work out your answer, work it quickly, and then I'll work it and we'll see if you get the same answer. Good. So let's work it. We have 3x squared minus 2y plus 2x minus x squared. Now, once again, it's very easy to identify the like terms because of the color in which I placed it. Now, CSEC or any exam will not give you these colors. This is just to assist you in understanding. So let's group the like terms. We only see in one set of like terms, which is these two. So that will be, we put them together, move them with the term in front. That will be 3x squared minus x squared minus 2y plus 2x. And then we deal with the like terms. That will be 3x minus x. Now, when you see x by itself or you see any letter by itself, that means there is an invisible one in front. So 3x squared minus x squared, that will give you, that's like 3 minus 1, that will give you 2x squared minus 2y plus, oh sorry, that should be plus, anyways, it doesn't matter, plus 2x. And that is our final answer. If you got the same answer, comment and tell me that you got the same answer and that you understand. If you didn't, watch the video again, see if you missed something. Anyways, I hope this video helped. Enjoy the rest of your evening or enjoy the rest of your day. That depends on whenever you're watching this video.